In this tutorial, you'll learn how to review the commit history of your Git repository using the git log command. Viewing commit history is crucial for understanding project development, tracking changes, and collaborating effectively. Prerequisites: before you begin, ensure that you have Git installed on your computer. If you haven't installed Git yet, please refer to our tutorial on Git installation for your specific operating system. Step 1 is to open your terminal. If you're using Mac OS or Linux, open your terminal. On Windows, you can use git -h or the Windows command prompt. Step 2 is to navigate to your project directory. Make sure you're in the directory of your Git project. You can use the cd command to navigate to your project folder. Step 3 is to view the commit history. To access the commit history of your Git repository, use the git log command. Step 4 is to interpret the commit history. The git log command will display a chronological list of commits, including the author, date, commit message, and a unique commit hash. Learn to interpret this information to understand your project's history. Step 5 is to customizing git log. You can customize the git log output by adding flags and options. For example, using git log --1 line will display a more concise commit history. With the ability to access and interpret commit history, you can make informed decisions about your project's direction and ensure that your code remains organized and well documented. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content.